tsebe ke tsobile ntho e hore ke o jwetse hore o boletse washa bafana bakithi khuluma lana fana angazi ukuthi yini le ngikhuluma kodwa ngiyeza ukuthi niyangizwa okumnandi lokho nje ukuthi kuyatsiba hore lwanqishisha yebo wa hora yanong yes thatha isiZulu futhi siyasiza hayi woza shukela uthi ngize kuphi manje ubatla lina when one is self-employed how much should be made monthly to qualify for a car? 15,000 man. If you make 15,000 most definitely you can get a car. Itable mfowethu lapho mlambo 15,000 rands wenza 15 kule nyanga ezayo mhlawumbe wenza 25 kule nyanga ezayo mhlawumbe wenza 20 you can get a car. Gape washa into engisuke ngidinga lapho chef McD I need your 6 months bank statement ID and license because you are self-employed wangishisha washa ay bafana bakithi ngoqonywa ipedi la kabuhlungu gabi ngoba ngiyakwishisha manje la ngizogubha umswarelo nje kabuhlungu bengithi kudliwa amakhekhe la hayi siyawadayisa sanibona amcebo yaphini yeah I have those please WhatsApp me I'm gonna get you a beautiful car trust me angejike lapho yo if imithandazo aphendulwe if you were hello evening are you married no hello evening evening futhi nawo evening motho o reng o batlang uzokhupha umswarelo lapha yabona ngihla khona bathi uthule nganza wethu nezo kuthi kanjani la ikhani phela live angithi angigift phela ngeke mfethu ufike uhleke la awu like live awu gift awu like live but at least uzothola abantu abazosigift ngoba phela ngathi wena ustage awufuna ungigift ufuna ngikuskeme ngithi ngidlala icompetition la bese nokho ngilike ngathi niyasangana kumele ungigift nje mfethu kusothandweni yabo iviwe imithandazo glory to God